Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be discussing how can you deposit your money into your BingX. Now, first things first, you're going to want to head over to BingX's website. So you're going to open up your browser. For me, it's Firefox. For you, it could be any. We're going to type in BingX and enter. That's going to bring you onto the first page, the first results. It's going to be BingX cryptocurrency exchange. You're going to go ahead and click on it. Now the website is going to look something like this. It could differ. Based on where you're located. But for me, it's the English and the US website, so it's going to load up that. As you can see, they have a pretty cool front page of the website. You can scroll down to see all the opportunities that BingX has for you. But now we're going to focus solely on the sign up option. So you're going to look on your top right and you're going to click on the sign up option. Now it's asking me for my email, my password, and my referral code. So if you have anyone's referral code, you can use that as well. I'm just going to go ahead and type in my email. Now, I do not have a referral code, but if you have one, you can type it in here. I'm going to go ahead and click on sign up. As you can see, it's verifying my details. As soon as it's done that, we're going to go ahead onto our step number 2. Okay, so now it has sent a verification code onto my email. So I'm just going to go ahead and check my email and enter the verification code. Okay, so I've now entered my verification code. It's asking me to save my details. I'm going to say not now. I'm going to go ahead over to our second phase. So now with the account out of the way, you're going to have access to a lot of BingX features. As you can see, it's introducing us to a fiat deposit, a zero fees on fiat. Fiat means money, currency such as USD, any currency of the world, that would be termed as fiat. Deposit and convert into the favorite cryptocurrencies of your choice. We're going to go ahead and click on close. Now, we're going to go ahead and deposit some money into this, or at least show you how to deposit money into this. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and click on the buy crypto option on top left of the website. Now here you can see you have 3 options. First is a fiat deposit, which means you can deposit your money from your pre-existing bank transfer or an online payment, which means you can pay from a credit card, a debit card online, just how you would do on any website. The other is a P2P trading, which means someone else on the website has some of the coins that you want to look to buy. So you're going to transfer the money to that person and then get the coins or anything of your desired option in return. And the last is the quick buy. So we're going to go ahead and click on the quick buy and see what the process is. So this is what the quick buy page will look like. You can choose the amount you want to pay. For me, it's in United Arab Dirhams. You can change it to USD. I'm going to change it to USD here. So this is going to be your USD to USDT page. So the USDT is the US dollar equivalent of the cryptocurrency. So let's say if I want to pay 52 US dollars, so I'm going to receive 49.96. And the same way, you're going to go ahead and click on sell, and you're going to do the exact opposite. Moving on. Let's go to the P2P trading. So the P2P trading is peer-to-peer trading, which means I'm going to sell to someone who's ready to buy for me and vice versa. So as you can see, I have some of the sellers who are willing to give out their USDT in exchange for dirhams or the currency of your country. Now let's say I want to buy USDT from him. This is what the page would look like. On the left, you can see the guy, Ahmed Al-Dasuki, and his track record of what he wants to sell. So now he has 30 trades, all right, and this is the limit. 250 dirhams is the max he can sell. The max he has in his wallet is 314. On the right, you can see your payment methods: bank transfer, M-Bank, Commercial Bank of Dubai, whatever the seller might have. You're going to go ahead and click on how much you want. Let's say I want 52. So I'm just going to click it. So I'm just going to say all 250 and I'll be able to buy. 50-50. So if I pay 250 dirhams, I'm going to get 66.31 USDT. We're going to go ahead and cancel this. And you can check on how many sellers there are, the better the rate they're willing to give, and you can do your task. Now, the last one is the fiat deposit. Now, this is what BingX is known for. They have very good fiat deposit rates. They have amazing transfer fees. So let's say you want to deposit some of your money and you want to deposit into one of these four currencies. You want to deposit euros. So let's say you want to deposit 500 euros. Now, on the bottom, you're going to click on select your deposit method. So you're going to click on CPED transfer, which is your bank transfer. And now you can go ahead and verify your identity, and it will take you to the transfer page. And that's how you can get some of your money into BingX. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was thorough enough. If there's anything we have missed, please let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more information. Thank you.